I'm gonna teach you how to cut a butternut squash. Here we go. So first, you're gonna wanna cut both ends off. Okay, first end off. And you're gonna wanna do this with all squashes that you have. And it might be a little tough, that's why you need a sharp knife. Then you're gonna wanna stand it up on its bottom side. Then you're just gonna wanna go down and take the skin off. Just keep doing that. Sometimes I even cut it in half before I do this. So you've gotten all the skin. And now once you've gotten all the skin off, you're just gonna want to go back and take off all this white layer. You can keep it on, but it's very bitter. Okay, now you're gonna want to cut the butternut squash in half. Okay, so it might be a little bit tough, but just go all the way through. And never take it back out because you could like cut your fingers on the way when you're trying to get it out. Now we're gonna just want to cut it about like a 1/4 inch thick all the way down on the side, and then we're gonna want to keep doing that. Okay, so now you're gonna want to cut one more 1/4 inch thick rectangles, strips on all of these big cubes, I guess. Okay. Yeah. So, I mean, you can use this kind of cut in soups, stews. I would even just put this in a pan and roast it with some apples and some brown sugar. Yeah, it's just really good like that. And also, I have a ton of starch on my hands from the butternut squash. Make sure to wash that off. And that's how you cut a butternut squash.